Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the Proplab latest version script. So viewers, this is the prop funding trading website script. So where bot will trade on your behalf. You just have to subscribe the plan and bot will trade on your behalf. So viewers, if you also want to make this kind of website, be with us and watch this video till the end, and I'm gonna make this website completely from scratch. First of all, I'm gonna give you the complete demo of this website. After that, I'll show you its user panel and complete admin panel, and at the end we will completely create this website. So be with us and watch this video till the end. And viewers, to buy this script you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links are in description of this video, and WhatsApp number is also showing on screen, so you can contact us and buy this script. Or if you want us to build the complete website for you, we will do that for you. Here each and everything is changeable from admin panel. This text, this logo, name, etc., everything is changeable. Here user can directly go to your dashboard or directly go to register page to start the challenge. Here in this section user can see the latest crypto prices over here in this section. So here you can see our progress, and basically you can change these details from admin panel. You can tell your story of success. Here user can see the latest plans, and user can invest in these bot plans. So you can see plan name, phases, targets, and all these. This is all the things that the plan bot will do in plan. So you can view all these things like risk, daily profit on bot trading, everything. You can see that, and you can buy the plan from here. Here is why I choose Funded Lab or Proplab. So you can see these details over here. Here are the highlight sections, so you can highlight anything. You can write details and FAQs from admin panels. Here you can add the client testimonials, and this is all the company details, and this is a photo section. You can add your social medias, etc., from admin panel. If user want to visit these pages separately, like if user want to visit trade page separately, user can do that from here. So this is the trading page. So this is how user can visit the trading page. User can see all these graphs and etc. from here. Similarly, user can visit the market page. So this is a market section, so user can see all different markets, coin markets, everything. User can view it from here. From manage cryptocurrency, user can go to cryptocurrencies and see all the cryptocurrencies on the website. And this is a contact section. So from contact page, any user can contact the admin of website. You can list all your map details from admin panel. So this is how you can list everything. So here is a language option as well. So currently there are 3 languages, but you can insert as many as languages you want. So viewers, now first of all let's go to login page. So here user have to enter its email credentials and password to log in. If user already have an account, user can log in with Google, Facebook, LinkedIn. Now if user don't have an account, user can go to register now and user can register his account. So by filling these simple details, name, username, email, user can register using Google and Facebook as well. So it completely depends on user how user will register. So now we currently already have an account, so I'm not gonna register, so we'll just directly log in with my existing details. So here I'll enter my username and here I'll enter my password. So fill the reCAPTCHA, and when I click on login, it will log me in. So this is the amazing user dashboard of this website. As you can see that we have successfully logged into the user dashboard. First of all, you can see your open orders, completed orders, cancelled orders, total trades in this section. So you can view all the trade details, bot trading details over here in this section. In the progress section, so you can see all your progress. Here you can go to manage orders and you can manage all your trading orders. So to go to trading page, here is a new challenge. So you can go to this page. And this is the trading page. You can see all booked orders. You can see the graph of trading view over here. You can do your analysis in this section. Here you can see all the different coin pairs in USD, USDT, BTC. You can see all the trade history. Your trade history will be shown over here. So this is the trade history. Here you can see the markets, everything. So to do this, you must have to subscribe the plan, and according to plan, bot will trade on your behalf. So here you can see, you can also set limits etc. from here according to yourself, and this is all the trading view graph for buy sell. It's for both. So you can do limit trading, like you can put stop loss, or you can do trade on market. So here you can view all your trade history in this trade history section. So you will see all the trade history in this section. Here you can see all plan history, and when you go to click on buy plan, so from here you can buy the plan from this section. Just click on buy plan, and you can easily buy the plan by any of the gateway you want. So this is how you will buy the plan. Here you can manage all your wallets. So you can see all the different coins in your wallet over here, and here you can view them. So you can click on them. You can transfer this coin from funding to a spot wallet, or you can manage all your wallets from this section. So it completely depends on you how you will manage them. Here you can manage all your payment history. So all the payment history will be shown over here. Here's a withdrawal history. So all the withdrawal history will be shown over here, and from here you can withdraw your money. So click on withdraw now, and you can withdraw money using any of the gateway. So basically you can create the gateways, etc. from admin panel. User can take withdraw using crypto or any other gateway user want. Here is a transaction section, so you will view all your transactions. Here user can generate the support tickets from this section. Click on new ticket and user can generate a new support ticket. Here is security, so user can turn on 2FA from here. So this is the authenticator QR, so user can enable its 2FA from here. So this was all about the user panel of this website, viewers. You can see all your balance over here in this section. Now we will go to here. User can also manage his profile and change password. So now we'll just log out, and I will just directly go to the admin panel of this website. So now to go to admin panel, so it's currently the demo. So we'll create our own website with our own script. So be with us and watch this video till the end. And to go to the admin panel, here you can see in demo all the details are entered. So we'll just enter these details and click on I'm not a robot, click on login, and it will log me into the admin panel. So this is the amazing admin panel of this website. As you can see, this is the amazing admin panel dashboard of admin. So first of all, you can see the total users on the website, active users on the website. Here you can see email unverified, mobile unverified. You can see all the pairs and all the trade pairs, order summaries. You can see total orders completed, pending. Everything will be shown you over here. So you can view all the things in this section here. Admin can see the notification of user registration, buy pairs, etc., deposit request. Everything will be shown in this section. So here you can see all the buy plan list. So we will go to manage plan, and here you can see all the list of different plans on the website. Now if you want to create a new plan on your website, just fill the name, price, fund, conversions, max loss, maximum overall loss. So you can set these things up, and you can make the plan from here. And if you want to add different phases, so you can add phases at things from here. So you can add as many as phases from here you want. So you can show user these things like profit, loss, everything, how much user will get on the subscribing these plans. Here you can see the admin can see the history of plan subscription. Admin can see the logic box from here. So here if you want to create a new logic box like need 10% profit on daily 10 days, etc., you can do that from here. Here's bot configuration. So from here admin can do the complete bot configurations like max order by, minimum decrease, maximum decrease, order amount range, order matching change, and everything like increases, matching with bot, order remains, and maximum sell, minimum increase, max increase, etc. Everything you can manage these things from here. So these are the bot configurations. So from here admin can manage all these bot configurations. Here in this section admin can see all the orders in this section. So buy, sell orders will be shown over here. Here admin can see the complete trade history. So trade history will be shown over here. From manage users, admin can completely manage the users on the website. Here admin can go to details and add balance to user account. Admin can subtract balance from user account. Admin can log in as a user, and everything admin can manage related to users from this section. Here is a deposit section. So all the deposits will come here. So admin can go to details and approve this deposit from here. So this is how admin can approve the deposit. So basically this is for manual deposit, but for automatic it will be automatic obviously. Here a withdrawal request will come here, and from here we can approve the withdrawal request in same like deposit. In support tickets we can view all the support tickets in this section, so we can communicate with the user. Here we can view the complete report, and in system settings we'll go to general settings, and from general settings we can change the name of website. If you want to use this website in your local currency, you don't want a USD, so use USD, so you can use it in your local currency, and you can change the site colors, conversion charge. You can set these things from here. From logo and favicon, you can change the logo and favicon of this website. Just click it and you can easily change it. So you can see how easy it is to change the logo and favicon. So viewers, if you want to buy this website from us, you can contact us and we will build what you want. Here from system configuration, you can turn on off user registration, KYC verifications, email verification, on OTP verification. You can manage all these things from this section. From managed currencies, you can insert multiple cryptocurrencies from admin panel. So just click on this and you can easily add any of the cryptocurrency you want. Here you can add the cryptocurrency, and here you can add your fiat pairs. So it's completely easy and it's very manageable. If you buy from us, we will guide you completely about it and we will provide you complete support with it. From here you can create BTC market, USDT market, like BTC USDT for pairs. You can create the market from here. Just click on add new and you can add a market. From manage pairs, you can create different coin pairs. So you can see all the coin pairs on the website. Now if you want to make the new pair, just click on new pair, and by filling these details like select the coin, manage the market, and you can easily make the pairs from here. So you can make the coin pair easily from this section. You can do push it configuration. Chart settings are here. Here is a currency data provider. You can use the APIs to fetch the currencies, and you can manage the notification settings. Here is the payment gateway option. So these are all the automatic payment gateways. You can see there are 30 plus automatic gateways are available: Paytm, Paystack, Razorpay, Now Payment, Coin Payment, and Instamojo. All these are available. Binance is also available. You can use these automatic gateways. So this is the manual gateway option. From manual gateway, you can create as many as gateways you want. So just click on add new, and by filling these simple details, like you can easily create a manual gateway, and you can insert a field for screenshot. So after payment, user will send you screenshot that you will receive here in deposit request. So this is how you can make the gateways, and this was the gateway section. Here's the withdrawal method, same like deposit. You can create the withdrawal method. Just click on add new, and by filling these simple details, you can create a withdrawal method. So it's very simple and easy to create the withdrawal method. You can manage the SEO of website directly from here, manage front end. As I told you, each and everything that is on the home page is changeable. So here is a banner section. Suppose I want to edit it. So I can edit each and everything that is on the banner. So you can see everything is here, and I can change it in just single click, and just click on submit and everything will be changed. So similarly, if you want to change the about us section, you can change it from here. So every section, you can see all these sections are listed here. You can change them. So it's very simple. You don't need any coding or technical knowledge to change these things. You can just do it in a single click. Here you can manage KYC, pages, language. If you want to insert the new language, just click on add new, and you can easily insert a new language by just filling the name and code of the language. You can insert the extension and all these maintenance mode, GDPR cookies, CSS if you want to add. You can do these things from here. And viewers, in this video I guided you about each and everything related to this website. Now if you want to purchase this website from us, do contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram, and we will build this website for you. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.